Hello, this is the National Weather Forecast. We're honing in on what's likely to happen on Tuesday, the 15th of July. And the weather systems this week are all fairly weak, nothing too severe or damaging. But we do have a few things to keep an eye on, particularly in the southern half of the country, including this band of rain here affecting South Australia and parts of New South Wales during Monday night, overnight, and into Tuesday as well. But away from this area of rain, it's very dry and settled across the country. We've got a new high pressure region just starting to take shape and establish itself, and that is going to mean fine settled conditions for large parts of Australia, with a few fronts just gliding by the very far south of the country. Let's fly around, starting with the Sunshine State, and I think we won't even see a millimetre of rain here tomorrow anywhere across the state. Clear blue skies for almost everyone. It is going to be a settled, dry day. Might be a little bit of frost inland in the south, but after quite a chilly morning, most places will actually experience temperatures that are a few degrees above average for the time of year. That's giving us mid to upper 20s along the coast, and even as high as the low 30s for inland areas. Now we'll see quite a lot of cloud and some rain developing around the northwest. Not heavy falls, but could be some welcome rainfall, perhaps 10 to 20 millimetres. That is mostly going to be west of the mountain ranges, so out towards the Northern Rivers coast. It will stay dry, and in fact everywhere else along the east coast of New South Wales it will remain dry, although expect a fairly cloudy day. Temperatures are a touch on the low side for inland areas, but mild along the east coast. We see cloudy skies and a few light showers around central and southern parts of Victoria, including Melbourne, basically anywhere south of the ranges. The actual rainfall totals will be very low, just a millimetre or two, but it might feel quite dreary outside with those cloudy skies and that light rain. North of the mountains, your shower risk is much lower. You might get a little sprinkle, but it's unlikely to be extensive. A chilly day across Tasmania, certainly chilly for Hobart, maybe an early shower there, but lots of the day should be dry. That high is just 11 degrees. Showers much more frequent in the west, where they could come hand in hand with some hail. Along the north coast, including Launceston, dry for most of the day, but that shower risk really does increase in the evening. To South Australia now, this is where a lot of the rain is happening, and it's going to fall over a few areas, but you can see it's quite a narrow band of rain here. So the spots likely to pick up some reasonable totals are the Eyre Peninsula, the Flinders region, Port Augusta, and then maybe the very far north of the Riverlands and up into the northeast of the state. Unfortunately, outside of that ribbon through here, rainfall looks pretty unlikely. That's mostly going to fall during the morning, then it will clear up and move into New South Wales. A dry southerly wind will kick in and skies will clear up across the state. To Western Australia now, most places will have fine settled weather. There'll be a few showers around this coastline here that could impact Perth, but again, the totals expected are very low, 1 to 2 millimetres tops. Dry inland and dry in the north, with temperatures a few degrees below the average for this time of year. And not much to write home about up here either. It's a very settled, dry season type day, maybe a little patchy fog in the morning around the east, then a clear, bright, sunny day. Temperatures 1 or 2 degrees warmer than par for this time of year. Stay up to date with all your forecast and weather information on the Bureau's website and app. That is all from me for today. Thanks for watching.